Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin immediately by confirming you are signed into the Pi app and that your phone number or email is verified. Otherwise, stop and verify now. Next, install a time-based authenticator app on the same device or a separate device for safety. Make sure you have a secure note or printed copy to store backup codes. Once done, open Pi's Security or Settings menu and tap two-factor authentication to reveal the QR and manual key. Once you see the QR or manual key on Pi, use your Authenticator app to scan or enter that key exactly. Small mistakes break the linkage. The Authenticator will begin generating rotating 6-digit codes every 30 seconds, copy the current code, and paste or type it into Pi's verification field. After Pi accepts the first code, immediately record any backup codes Pi shows. These are the single way to recover access if you lose your device. To finish, sign out and sign back in to confirm two-factor prompts appear and that your Authenticator code grants access. This proves the flow works end-to-end. Make sure backup codes are stored offline and consider adding a secondary recovery device or Authy multi-device for redundancy. If you encounter failed codes, first resync the Authenticator's time with network time, then use a backup code. If those steps fail, contact Pi support with proof of identity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.